Well, welcome everyone to Legal Future's Health and Welfare LPAs and Advance Decisions webinar presented by me, Jill Steele of Law Skills Limited. This topic, I feel, has grown in importance, particularly during the COVID pandemic, as people have had to confront their risks of being seriously unwell because of the virus. And people do often hold strong views about whether they wish to have life-sustaining treatment in certain circumstances, or whether they wish to choose someone else to make those decisions for them if the worst should happen and they are unable to make decisions on their own. So given so many people are living longer and frailer lives, it's important to be clear when to suggest to a client a Health and Welfare LPA or an advance decision, or even both, and therefore, if so, in which order to make them. So my aim in this webinar is to compare and contrast the purpose of a Health and Welfare LPA and the advance decision. I think that will help you focus on what people need. It should be acknowledged that there is a fee for registering Health and Welfare LPAs, whereas there's no fee for registering an advance decision because there isn't a register as such. You're simply putting the advance decision on someone's medical record, which is usually done via the GP. But we should help the client focus on which tool is appropriate rather than the cost. Otherwise, I think they might go the wrong route. So, participants taking part in this webinar today should be able to advise clients on which type of decision is right for their particular circumstances, and obviously then be able to pursue preparing them. I've divided the session into 4 sections, again not necessarily equal, as follows. So first of all, I'm going to start off with a fairly lengthy section on the background between the generation of these 2 different tools and the requirements for them. We'll then look at the purpose of the Health and Welfare Lasting Power of Attorney compared to the purpose of the advance decision, and then I'll look at advance decision making, how it's done, with reference to a pack from Compassion in Dying, which I think is worthwhile knowing exists and which some clients may already have had a look at if they're in a situation where they need help.